Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Tape, the super strong waterproof tape that can instantly patch, bond, seal, and repair. Flex Tape is no ordinary tape.
The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a tornado warning for central Adair County in northeastern Missouri until 9:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:55 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This storm was located 6 miles northwest of Kirksville and moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include large hail and destructive winds. Locations impacted include Kirksville, Nobbinger, and Greentop. Take cover now. Move to an interior part of the lowest level of your home. Take blankets and pillows with you. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial cover. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest creek or other low-lying area, and cover your head with your hands. When you can do so safely, report hail, winds, funnel clouds, and totals to the National Weather Service's Pleasant Hill office by calling 1-816-540-6021.